Ever wondered how you could turn a small stash of cash into a bigger pile of dough? Well, investing even a little bit of money wisely isn't as tricky as it sounds, especially if we borrow some genius tips from the master investor Warren Buffett himself. Back in the day, Buffett started with peanuts, well, not literally, but you get the idea, and turned them into a fortune by sticking to some pretty smart strategies. And guess what? These golden nuggets of wisdom can be your treasure map too, guiding you through the world of investing, even if you're not starting with a billionaire's budget. So, whether you've got a few bucks or a few thousand tucked away, you can kickstart your journey to financial awesomeness. And for that, you have to watch this video till the end, as in this video we are going to share with you the top 10 strategies of Warren Buffett's for investing small sum of money. And if you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss out on the valuable insights we share in our future videos. Ready to see your money grow? Let's start from strategy number 1, focusing on value investing. Imagine you're at a garage sale, and tucked away under a pile of old magazines, you find a vintage baseball card worth hundreds. That's exactly what Buffett did in the world of stocks. He had a knack for spotting companies that were like hidden treasures, priced way less than what they were actually worth. For you and me, this means turning into detectives of sorts, combing through the market to spot those hidden gems. It's about rolling up our sleeves and doing a bit of homework to unearth companies that are solid at their core, but are going for a bargain price. We're talking about businesses that have everything going for them. Great products, smart management, you name it. But for some reason the market's undervaluing them. So, what should you do? You start investing in that company. This strategy, embracing net stock investing, is a gem from the classic Benjamin Graham playbook that Buffett himself used in his early days. Picture this. Finding companies priced so low they're like items at a garage sale. Except these are stocks selling for less than the company's cash value after debts. It's about spotting those under-the-radar opportunities where the market has overlooked a company's true value. This approach is like treasure hunting, where diligence, research, and a bit of courage can lead you to remarkable finds. It's designed for the David against Goliaths, offering small investors a chance to see significant returns by focusing on deeply undervalued stocks. Now that we're on the hunt for undervalued stocks, next strategy is to channel our inner detective, much like Buffett in his early days. Embrace deep research. He wouldn't just skim the surface. He dived deep into piles of reports and directories. For us, this means not just scratching the surface, but really getting to know the ins and outs of potential investments. Before committing any funds, take a closer look at the company's business model, financial health, and its standing in the market. It's about making sure we're investing in a story that has both substance and promise, ensuring our treasure hunt is well-informed and targeted. Continuing next, it's crucial not to get sidetracked by the allure of quick profits. Or we can say that, prioritize long-term potential over short-term gains. Buffett's wisdom teaches us the value of patience and the importance of looking at the bigger picture. Think of it as planting a tree. You're not just looking for immediate shade, but a robust growth that stands the test of time. Seek out companies that not only have a solid track record, but also possess a clear vision for sustained growth. This long-term perspective is our compass, guiding us towards investments that promise enduring value rather than fleeting success. Moving forward into further Buffett's investment strategies for small sum of money, we have the powerful principle of compounding, or, in simple term, start investing early and leverage compounding. Picture a small snowball that grows larger as it rolls down the hill, gathering more snow. That's your investment, growing over the years through the magic of compounding. The earlier we start, the more time our investments have to grow, emphasizing the importance of getting into the game as soon as possible. It's about seeing beyond the horizon and allowing time to amplify our investment efforts, transforming modest beginnings into significant wealth. Number 5. Buffett's investment strategy is to keep costs low. Imagine you're on a treasure hunt, but for every gold coin you find, you have to give a chunk of it away. That's what high investment fees do to your returns. Buffett, in his quest for undervalued stocks, always kept an eye on minimizing costs. For us, this means being savvy about where we put our money, opting for low-cost investment options that promise to keep more of our treasure in our pockets, not someone else's. It's about ensuring that the cost of investing doesn't nibble away at our hard-earned gains. As we move forward, we encounter the concept of diversification within reason. Diversification is a strategy Buffett has mastered over the years with Berkshire Hathaway's diverse portfolio. But here's the thing for small investors. It's about finding the sweet spot. While Buffett now spreads his investments across a wide array of companies, he suggests that small investors focus on a handful of high-conviction bets. Think of it as placing your eggs in a few baskets that you know are sturdy and reliable, rather than scattering them everywhere. However, a sprinkle of diversification can still be your safety net, ensuring you're not putting all your hopes in one place. All right, the next strategy is about to be prepared to seize opportunities. Buffett's knack for pouncing on ridiculously cheap stocks when they pop up is something of legend. It's like finding a rare artifact at a yard sale for pennies. For small investors, this means being ready and alert, with a keen eye on the market and a clear idea of what you're looking for. When that perfect stock, fitting all your criteria and priced just right, shows up, you need to be ready to make your move. It's about having your investment war chest ready, knowing your battlefield, and striking with precision when the moment is right. Number 8 strategy is about to minimize taxes. Buffett has a keen eye for not just growing wealth, but also protecting it, particularly from taxes. Just like navigating through a maze, finding paths that lead to tax efficiency is crucial. For small investors, this means being smart about where and how you invest. Choosing tax-efficient vehicles like Roth IRAs or holding onto investments long enough to qualify for long-term capital gains can make a big difference. It's about keeping more of what you earn, letting your investments compound and grow unburdened by unnecessary tax hits. And next is something that's more about who you are than what you do, staying informed and patient. Buffett's journey teaches us that success isn't just about making smart moves. It's also about staying calm and collected, riding through the market's ups and downs with a steady heart. It means keeping an ear to the ground, staying updated on market trends, and not letting every wave of news sway your investment decisions. Patience is your anchor, allowing your investments the time they need to mature and blossom, even when the market seems like a wild ocean. Finally, the last strategy for investing small sum of money is to investing in small companies. This final piece of advice is like being given a map to a treasure trove that others have passed by. Why? Because while the big players and the heavy funds are busy duking it out over the giants of the business world, the smaller companies often fly under the radar, sparkling with untapped potential. Buffett himself points out that these smaller enterprises are where someone wielding a modest $10,000 can truly strike gold. Buffett suggests starting at the beginning, with companies whose names start with A, and working your way down, meticulously scouring for those small companies ripe for investment. To sum up the whole discussion, by weaving together the essence of Warren Buffett's investment wisdom, we're not just learning how to play the game, we're mastering the art of growing our wealth, step by step, no matter the size of our starting point. This approach isn't just about making random picks in the stock market. It's about thoughtful, informed decision-making that mirrors the path Buffett himself has walked. It's about seeing beyond the immediate, recognizing the potential in overlooked places, and understanding that, sometimes, the best moves are those made with a keen eye and a steady hand. So, in your investing journey, carry these strategies with you. They're more than just tips, they're a roadmap for navigating the investment landscape with the acumen of one of the greatest investors. That was all for today's video. We hope you have enjoyed the video. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section. We'll continue to bring you the latest, the greatest, and the richest videos about personal finance, so make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any new video. Thank you for watching, and best of luck.